Loops are the most vital tool in any programming language, as they allow your code to be much more efficient and readable. They shorten your code by telling the program to repeat a section of code until a certain stopping condition is reached. There are three types of loops in C++: while loops, for loops, and do-while loops. A while loop checks the condition in the parentheses, and if it is true, repeatedly executes the code inside until it's no longer true. Here's an example. We'll keep spending money until we have as many comic books as possible. For loops are slightly more complicated. The first part in the parentheses runs before the looping starts, the second is the condition for it to run, or run again, and the final part is executed after each loop runs. Here's an example that'll count to 100, versus the version without a for loop. Finally, you can use a do-while loop if you want something to run at least once, and then repeat if necessary. So here, no matter what I is, it'll always print its initial value. There is a secret cousin to the for loop though, the for each, which lets you do something for each item in a collection. For example, you could use it to purchase food for 30 people. In summary, you should use a for loop when you know how many iterations there will be, or you want to utilize the initialization or update portion. You should use a while loop when you don't know how many times you're going to repeat. And you should use a do-while if you know you're going to execute it at least once. And finally, use a for each if you know you're going to iterate through a list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Remember to Control S, and see you in the next one.